Oh, the majesty.
You saw that other bird fly by. Like, why can't I get to you? Come on, this way. This way, bird. With my hand?
Yeah, the bird. Those little sparrow things.
Come here, bird. Whoa, hey. I don't feel like picking up that bird. Oh, now he's over here.
Put him up that door then.
I need a box.
No, use that freaking thing. Just open that door to the elevator.
Oh.
Tom got the door out of the way.
Yeah, bird likes to go out this door.
Go over that. Now scare him over that way and close it out, and then we'll open the other door. It's going to be forced to get out. Oh, he's over there?
Where'd he go?
Birdie. Pull in the window again, like an idiot.
Where is he?
He flew in the window. Now he's over here, laying down.
There you go, bird.
Close that door. Close that bunny. Yeah.
Go, bird. Free. Free bird.
Too bad.
No, I don't think he's hurt. I think he's just scared.
I'm as free as a bird. If we could put the free bird over that video, he's coming across.
Consider it done.
He's under your